Hello everyone. So today we are going to talk about top 5 skills you require to be a great event planner. So let's get started. So the first one in the list is communication. Communication is a skill where there is always a room for improvement. Good communication builds relation and reputation. But what we are talking about here is communication on site with vendors and venue staff. Being all bossy and showing them that you are in charge of the venue doesn't help according to us. But listening to them, taking their suggestions, make them feel valued, and in result you will get better productivity from them. You will also be able to solve on-site problems quickly and they become more loyal to you, and all this helps you in a long term. Second is flexibility. Flexibility is a skill that shows the extent to which a person cope with changes in circumstances. Flexibility of a person is tested when tensed or unexpected situations occur and require a person to change their stance, outlook or commitment. In events, these kind of situations occur quite often. Let's say you are working on a project for a long time and suddenly you are assigned a new project, new role or even a different job profile. That is something when a person have to understand the situation, adjust and do their part of job with positive mindset. Third and one of the most important skill is getting it done. When executing an event, we largely depend upon vendors, venue staffs and other team members. So getting a part of job done becomes very important. And trust us, it is an art to get things done from others, as they might work or behave in different way than you want them to, which is always the case. So little bit of smart work, patience and skill of prioritizing things can surely get your work done the way you want. Fourth one is observation and attention to detail. When you are at an early point of your career in any industry, people often ask you to observe things, which they pretty much are right about. But when it comes to events, observation kind of becomes a skill, as observation can give you new ideas or can show you flaws or problem in execution, which is at the end of the day is beneficial to you. Talking about attention to detail, and this comes from the experience. Attention to detail comes in when you are about to execute what you have planned. You will have to pay attention to even the tiniest things which you might think will not go wrong, but it does. And we can tell you this as we also have done this mistake in past and still do sometime in present. This skill doesn't come easy. You have to be disciplined to master this. Last but not the least is jugaad. Wait, what? Haven't you heard this word already? Now, if you are an Indian, you must know what it is because this word pretty much originated in India. And not only that, in 2017, Oxford University added word jugaad to their dictionary. Impressive, right? Now, what is the meaning of this word? In simple terms, jugaad is a flexible approach to problem solving that uses limited resources in an innovative way. Basically, innovation which strikes in your mind in problematic situations. The clips you saw just now were few examples of what a jugaad looks like. So these were top 5 skills you require to be an event planner. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And until next time.